I'll be your bartender today. Those Jellicle caps are wearing shoes.
Put that over there. Jeremy and Pastor here have a different perspective as Jenna bumps into me intentionally and pushing me out of my own video. So thanks, babe.
I wrote the whole song. I mean, it wasn't.
What is? I think some people don't even know what candling the ear is, because it wasn't until a few years ago that I was like, what the hell is that?
Well, they're gonna learn today.
We're going to be watching them in release order, which is definitely the best way to watch these.
I'm really interested because there's a lot of big names in this movie, so I'm interested to see.
I've been with her 11 years. I can see how drunk she already is with her red face and red neck. It's so funny to me. Moving, if you add a little bit of weight to it, even 1 pound, you're gonna work your
3 pounds.
I know, but I said even 1 pound. I know this is 3. If you add weight.
Well, add them together, it's 6.
Jenna has already had a little bit to drink.
No.
Wow, that is really hard. You really think you can go all day long? Well, you always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
That's what she said.